Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials so nothing blocks sign-in. Check iOS version and free storage because updates or low space often halt authentication. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is stable and any VPN is disabled, since App Store endpoints can be blocked. Next, gather your Apple ID, password, and a trusted phone for two-factor codes. You'll need them immediately. This prevents interruptions and saves time, letting you focus on the troubleshooting steps that follow. You now perform the core fixes. Force quit the App Store and restart the device to clear transient glitches. If that doesn't work, sign out of your Apple ID and settings, then reboot. Signing back in refreshes authentication tokens and often resolves server handshake errors. If the problem persists, reset network settings to remove corrupted Wi-Fi profiles and rejoin networks. This fixes DNS or proxy issues that block the App Store. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi password. Finish by installing any pending iOS updates, because system patches often include authentication fixes. Then reboot and try signing in again. If sign-in still fails, try using a different Apple ID or sign in on another device to isolate whether the issue is account or device specific. As a last resort, back up and restore the device or contact Apple support with your error details and logs. If nothing helps, the quickest diagnostic trick is testing another account. It narrows the cause immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.